So, here I go! As you can see, I'm really high above ground. So, here's how I'm gonna do it. I am going to fly over to that wall over there. See it? Okay, I am ready. Oh wait, I just need to get a little higher. I can't believe I can fly. Like I can touch the sky. It's gonna be awesome. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Now, here's what I'm going to do. Oh wait, I already told you that. Here I go! Oh, come on. Man, I really thought I was going to make it. Well, wait, on September 15th, Angry Bird Egg Hunt Part 2 is going to come out. Remember, September 15th.